Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about chemistry practical salt analysis. You know friends, in every chemistry examinations, especially in intermediates, there will be questions. Identify one cationic radical by performing dry and wet test of the given inorganic salt, or identify one anionic radical by performing dry and wet test in the given inorganic salt. So cationic or anionic radicals, we called it acidic and basic radicals. So to analyze the given salt for acidic and basic radicals, so what you will do? First you have to write in this way: experiment, observation, inference. Experiment, observation, inference. This is the writing style, and you give the titles. Then physical examination. First, physical examinations. Noted the color of the given salt. If it is white, then presence of copper 2 plus, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, nickel 2 plus, Mn2 plus, cobalt 2 plus absent. First observation. So you did the experiment, this one, your observation is white, and your inference absent of this cation. Noted the smell of the salt. This is your experiments. And what you observations? No specific order. So what is your inference? Ammonium is 2 minus and acetate may be absent. Now do the experiments. Dry heating test. Heated a pinch of the salt in a dry test tube and noted the following observations. Gas evolved. So you did these experiments. Now this is your observations. Chemistry means observation. You observe it. What you observe? A reddish brown gas evolved which turned FeSO4 ferrous sulfate solution black. So this is your observations, and this observation, what you inference? Nitrate may be present. Nitrate may be present. Then you do the next experiment, sublimations, and then what you observe? No sublimate form. If no sublimate form, what is inference? Ammonium halide, aluminum chloride, iodide may be absent. Repetitions. What is your observation? No cracking sound observed. So what is your inference? Lead nitrate, barium nitrate, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and potassium iodide may be absent. Now you do the fusions. This is your experiments. And what you observe? During fusions, salt does not fuse. So what your inference? Alkali, sodium, potassium, salt may be absent. And then you can do next experiment, color of the residue. When you did this experiment, you find white. So zinc 2 plus and Pb2 plus may be absent. This is your inference on the basis of this observation, on the basis of this experiment you observe. Now friend, do the charcoal test, cavity test. Mixed a pinch of salt with double the quantity of sodium carbonate and heated the mixtures on a charcoal cavity in the reducing flame. So you did this experiment, you will find white residue. If this is white residue, then this is your inference. Zinc 2 plus, lead 2 plus, Mn 2 plus may be absent. Then you can start new experiments. Cobalt nitrate test. To above white residue, added a drop of cobalt nitrate solutions, heated it in oxidizing flame. So you have no characteristic color. This is your observation. So what your inference? Zinc 2 plus, Mg2 plus, aluminum 3 plus, PO4 3 minus may be absent. Then you can start next experiment, flame test. Prepared a paste of the salt with conc HCl and perform flame test. This is your observation. Persistent grassy green flame on prolonged heating. So if you have this observation, then definitely your inference barium 2 plus presence. Now next experiment, you can start borax bead test. Did not perform this test since the given salt was white. If it is white given, no need to do the borax bead test. So this presents copper 2 plus, nickel 2 plus, Fe3 plus, Mn 2 plus, cobalt 2 plus may be absent. Then friends, you can do dilute sulfuric acid test. Treated a pinch of the salt with dilute sulfuric acid and warm. No gas evolved. So carbonate, sulfide, nitrite, sulfite may be absent. Then friend, you can do KMnO4 test, another experiment. To a pinch of the salt, added dilute sulfuric acid, warm, and then drop of KMnO4 solution. This is your observation. Pink color of KMnO4 was not discharged. So chloride, bromide, iodide, oxalate, Fe2 plus may be absent. Then friend, you can do the conc sulfuric acid test. Heated a pinch of the salt with conc sulfuric acid and added to it a paper pellet. A reddish brown gas evolved which turns ferrous sulfate solution black. Nitrate may be present. Conformity test for nitrates. So what you will do? Copper chips test. Heated a pinch of the salt with conc sulfuric acid and few copper chips. So reddish brown gas evolved. This is your observation. So nitrate conformed. This is the conformed test of nitrate. Ring test. To do the experiment, take the 2 to 3 ml of the salt solutions, added freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solutions. Now added concentrated sulfuric acid along the sides of the test tubes. A dark brown ring formed at the junction of the two liquids. So this is the conformation of nitrate. Then friends, you can start another experiment. Heated a pinch of salt with conc sodium hydroxide solutions. No ammonia gas evolved, ammonia absent. Preparation of original solution, OS. Took a pinch of the salt with water, solution obtained, then label it as original solutions. To a part of the original solution, added 1 to 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. No precipitate form, group 1 absent, Pb 2 plus absent. Then through a part of the above solution, pass H2S gas, no precipitate form, group 2 absent. And then to the remaining solution, added a pinch of solid ammonium chloride, boiled the solution, cooled it, and added excess of ammonium hydroxide solution. No precipitate form means group 3 absent. Then through a part of this solution, pass H2S gas, no precipitate form, then group 4 absent. Then to the remaining ammonium solutions, added ammonium carbonate solution, white precipitate form, group 5th presence. Either this may be present. Now conformity test for barium. Filter the above white precipitate, dissolve the precipitate in hot dilute acetic acid. Potassium chromate test, to one part of the above solution added a few drops of potassium chromate solution. If yellow precipitate you observe, then barium 2 plus conform. Flame test performed. Flame test with the salt. Persistent grassy green flame on prolonged heating. So if it is your observation, then barium 2 plus conform. This is your inference. So in results what you write, acid radical nitrate and basic radical Ba2 plus. So this is very important for intermediate examinations. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.